My lovely people, welcome back to today's video. It's your girl Dora Kitchen. How are you all doing? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this amazing recipe, catfish pepper soup, guys. How to make it, and it will come out so great and well. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell for more. Let's get started, guys. So guys, I'll be taking you through all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe, guys. Stay tuned and watch it. So here is our lovely blended pepper, guys, and in here is our seasoning cube and our salt to taste, guys. Here is our pepper soup spices and our sliced onions with our scent leaf, well washed and sliced. And here comes the oga of them, or the catfish, guys, already washed. You can use a hot water and salt to wash your own, or you use a lemon to wash your own. I used hot water with salt to wash my catfish, guys. So stay tuned. Let's get started with this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more. So here comes our pot, guys. We're going in with our catfish. Then our pepper. Our salt to taste, guys. So after that, you go in with your seasoning cube. So after adding it, you have to mix everything together, guys. And see, with pepper soup or catfish, any pepper soup at all that you're making, you need to add enough pepper. That is the reason why they call it pepper soup. So after mixing it, oh god, then we have to add in our pepper soup spice. After that, we go in with our water. You add any amount of water that you need. So you can see everything is well added. Our pepper, our salt to taste, and our seasoning cube, guys, with our pepper soup spices. So now it's time to go in with your sliced onions. I forget to add it before adding the water. So cover it and allow it to boil for like 15 minutes. Then we'll come back and check our food. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So guys, now it's time to check our food. You can see what we have here. The pepper soup is so lovely, so great, and boiling so amazing. So now it's time to go in with our washed scent leaf, guys. I always love enough scent leaf on my pepper soup. So after adding it, you have to mix. So sometimes you have to try this pepper soup, not every time your regular tomato stew. sometimes just make this lovely pepper soup. It's good for our nursing mother guys, because the pepper soup spices is mixed with oda and those ziza guys. So after adding it, I have to cover and boil it again for like 2 to 3 minutes guys. Then we'll come back and see what we have. We are back again after 2 minutes guys to check our food. You can see what we have here. It looks so great, and the aroma is killing guys. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Try this recipe, you will love it. It's a bomb guys, a bomb, and it's very healthy. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. You'll be the first person to get notification and watch it guys. Thank you so much. Bye.